In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to set up a green screen in OBS. First of all, use a solid green or blue color backdrop, cloth, paper or collapsible screen. And make sure you are not wearing green clothes or parts of you will disappear. Now go to your OBS studio and select a scene. And under sources, click on this plus icon. Select video capture device. Click on OK. Now click on this device drop down and go ahead and select your camera or webcam device from this list. And then just click on OK. Once you successfully added your webcam or your green screen footage in your OBS studio, it's time to remove background. So right click on your webcam or your green screen source and click on filters. Here click on this plus icon, select chroma key, and here we can see the preview. Already my webcam green screen successfully removed. Now key color type, if you have a blue screen, you can select blue, you can select magenta, or you can select custom color. In this case, go ahead and just click on select color and then select the color for your background that you want to remove. Okay, in my case, I'm selecting green color. And then here you can adjust smoothness, opacity, contrast, brightness, and gamma. So by default, you get a perfect result for your green screen. Just click on close. And here we have our green screen footage without the green screen. Now you can just go ahead and resize your footage, and that's how you can actually set up green screen in OBS Studio. Thanks for watching.